Hello, this is Cryptomat. In this video I'm gonna show you Elrond.com, so the user-friendly blockchain for deploying programmable money for unstoppable applications, characterized by 10k TX per second, minimal latency, negligible fees. At the beginning, we can join community or join testnet. We can join the conversation on Medium, Twitter and Telegram. Adaptive state sharding, comparable in throughput as so decentralized counterparts. Our architecture goes beyond state of the art and can be seen as an augmentation of this existing model, improving the performance while focusing to achieve a better Nash equilibrium state between security, scalability and decentralization. And if you are interested, you can read more about that. Secure proof or stake, minimal energy and computational requirements. Elrond eliminates the need for intensive PoW consensus algorithm and proposes a novel and more robust secure proof of stake consensus, enhancing intra-shard communication and turning the blockchain state to the most essential. And if you are interested, you can read more about that. Decentralized. Increased security due to the randomly selected block prosper. Elrond introduced an improvement which adds security and reduces latency, allowing each node in the shard to determine the members of the consensus group, block prospers and validators at the beginning of a round. This is possible because the last block's aggregated signature is used as the randomized factor. And if you are interested, you can read more about that. Communication, decentralizing cross-blockchain operations. The Elrond virtual machines implementation will hide the underlying architecture, isolating the smart contract developers from system interiors, ensuring a proper abstraction layer. In Elrond, cross-chain interoperability can be implemented by using an adapter mechanism at the virtual machine level. This approach requires specialized adapters for each chain that is non-AVM compatible and wants to operate with Elrond. If you are interested, you can read more about that too. Next, we can also look at the whole white paper. I think all these features represents a product worthy of interest. This encourages us to be interested in Elrond.com. The future is already here. Elrond prototype, validating state sharding architecture. Theory is always nice, but practice is a lot better. Check out working prototype. Through this first implementation, we validate our state sharding hypothesis and test our model of cross-shard transitions. We also have two buttons here with demo and GitHub site. Let's meet the team. A strong team determined on making things happen. We have their strong team with good people like Benjamin Minku, Lucian Todera, Lucian Minku, Felix Christian and the others team. We can look more closely at the all people by clicking on a button. Let's meet advisors with relevant experience supporting the team. We have their good advisors like Alex Easkold, Alex Tarabuk, Raul Jordan and George Rizu and the others. We can look more closely at all the people by clicking on a button. The whole team looks very interesting and professional. We have also on this site latest posts, highlights from our blog with a lot of interesting informations about that. Next step is news and events. Stay up to date like Technical Forum or the others. Now we can see a very important part of the page with frequently asked questions. For example, what is Elrond? Elrond is a complete rethink of public blockchain infrastructure, specifically designed to be secure, efficient, scalable and interoperable. Elrond's main contribution rests on two cornerstone building blocks. A genius state sharing approach, effectively partitioning the chain state into multiple shards handled in parallel by different participating validators. And secure proof of stake consensus mechanism and improved variation of proof of stake (POS) that ensures long-term security and distributed fairness while eliminating the need the energy-intensive POW algorithm. We have questions like: how does Elrond plans to solve the scalable issue? What is adaptive state sharing? What is the secure proof or stake? And how is Elrond different from other blockchains? We can read about that questions on this site here. Stay informed. Never miss an update. If you are interested, you can enter your email here and get subscribe elrond.com. And at the end, we have different communication channels like emails, sites like Twitter and YouTube, and the other communicators. I think that this is a very development project focused on innovate solutions that is run by a well-organized team. I encourage you to check and read elrond.com. See you later.